Assalamu alaikum and good evening. In today's video, we're going to talk about softwares that can be used to encrypt and decrypt email messages. And in this video, we will focus on a software called Mailvelope. This software is an easy to use end-to-end encryption software that can be easily integrated to your email. And because it's an easy software because it can be easily downloaded as an extension and integrated to your browser. So first and foremost, we'll try to download the software extension by going to the extensions of section of the browser. For example, Mozilla uses add-ons. So we search for Mailvelope. Okay, this is the extension. Okay, it's taking a while. Okay, if we click on that link, it will take us here, and then we can easily add this extension to our browser. Add. That's it. The first part was the installing part. Now we'll try to configure that the software by generating and importing and exporting keys. So if we go to the extension and let's start. Okay, this is the main section of the extension. So these are the buttons: encrypt, decrypt messages, and key management. So in the key management section, this generate and this import. So if you're a new user to this software, you need to generate a key. But if you already have a key, you can easily import your key. So now we don't have a key. Let's say we want to generate a key. Okay, let me put my info, Abdurrahman. My email would be at gmail.com. Okay, now for the advanced sections, it talks about the algorithm that the extension uses, the encryption message software uses, and the size of the key. So it's a 4,000 key bit, or it can be a 2,000 key bit. So if you want your encryption key to be more secure and more strong, you need to create a bigger size key, but it will take a little while to create. We don't need to set. If you want to set an expiration date, you can set, but let's keep moving. Now we need to create a password, and we need to create a strong password. So this is the password that we're going to use when we need to verify our email. Okay, that's it. So when we create, when we generate a key, it automatically goes to we're creating a public key. So this will automatically go to the Mailvelope server, which we will see later. Okay, let's generate. So this might take a while. Okay, done. It created a key ID for us. This is our key ID, and yeah. So now we need to verify our email. So if you go to our email section, we received an email from Mailvelope. So if we click on the email, we cannot see what the email says. It's encrypted. So to decrypt it, we need to use the password, the strong password that we just now created. That's our private key. Okay. Okay. So that's our private key. Now we can see what the email says. We decrypted. Okay, now it's encrypted. They decrypted the message. So this is what the message says. Let's verify our email, and then so that's we configured our email. It can be already it can use the software. So whenever we want to send or receive an email, we can encrypt and decrypt using the software. So the third part of the video, we will see the process of sending and receiving encrypted messages.
So to send and receive encrypted email addresses, both the sender and receiver need to have the Mailvelope extension and a verified email address. So if the sender is sending an email to an unverified email address, will get an error. Let's see, show the error. So this is an unverified email address, and to send an email you have to click on that icon and write secure email. The new window shows up where you type the email you want it to be encrypted, and this is the error you'll get if the email address is unverified. So let's try the verified one. This is a verified email address. Let's try this again. So again a new window pops up, and as you can see there's no error and the email address is in green. That means the email address is verified. So type a message that you want to encrypt and click encrypt, and then it becomes gibberish and you can just send. So this is the verified email address of the receiver. Alright, so this is the receiver's mail. As you can see, we have the message, the new email. Let's check the message. Message that we sent. Let's decrypt it. Click on show message, and a new window pops up asking for the private key, the password you put before, and then okay. And then this is the decrypted message we received. Ta-da!